Last time I was here, it was raining. It didn't rain anymore. The streets were drowned and the water's raining. All the rooms washed ashore. Now I'm just looking through the rubble, trying to find out who we were. Last time I was here, it was raining. It didn't rain anymore. Last time I was here, you were waiting. You're not waiting anymore. The windows broken, the smoke's escaping, books scattered across the floor, and the church bells are ringing through the silence, and your coat was full of bullet holes. Last time I was here, you were waiting. You ain't waiting anymore. So, with the wind blowing and the moonlight blowing, so, with the needle moving round, rose keep you and I will have a good day. Last time I was here, it was raining like you ain't never seen.